and Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for central Greene County until 12:45 a.m. At 9:38 p.m., radar and automated rain gauges indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain over the area. Heavy rain continues to fall with another inch possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Xenia, Wilberforce, and Oldtown. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
There you have it. Flash flood warning for Greene County.
Alright.
And I'm also on the phone with LittleMissDevious right now.
Hi.
AKA the love of my life.
Aww.
Go subscribe to her channel. She is such a sweetheart.
Subscribe to him. He's an amazing boyfriend. I love him to death.
But yeah, there you have it. Caught this on 99.1 again. This is probably the third alert I've gotten off of this station. I still have 2 tornado warnings to upload, which by the time you're seeing this video, it should be uploaded. So, there you have it. Flash flood warning for Greene County. Oh, and by the way, and no, Clay Ranger 143, it's not for dark!